Hello guys, I'm Hasirius. Over millions of years of evolution, animal world become more diverse and abundant. Scientists estimate that more than 1,500,000 animal species have been discovered in the world. They live in many different environments. They have differences in shape, color, size, creating their own attractive beauty. Together we learn the top 10 most beautiful animals in the world. Let's start. 1. Macaw. Macaws are exotic birds inhabiting the rainforests of South America. They belong to a family of birds called Psittacidae. Their beauty is due to the combination of bright colors in their plumage. Bright yellow, crimson red, green grass, blue green, and orange are the main colors. Many people have macaws as pets, and perhaps that's why Aera ararona are a species that must be taken care of in the natural environment. Macaws are medium-sized birds but have large wings that attract lots of attention when they are spread. They are very social birds that love to walk in groups, but they are the most beautiful in the air. It is fascinating to see a group of macaws flying. It looks like a drawing of a rainbow in the sky. 2. Bengal tiger. Bengal tigers mainly live in India, Bangladesh, but they also live in Nepal, Bhutan, and Burma. Bengal tigers are the most common tiger subspecies. They are the second largest of the remaining tiger subspecies. They have orange fur with brown or black stripes. Each individual has different stripes, like the difference in the human fingerprint. However, we capture the Bengal tiger with white fur. This is because it had twice the number of recessive genes in the genome compared to other Bengal tigers. Out of 10,000 cases, there was only one such rare case. 3. Flamingo. Flamingos belong to the family Phoenicopteridae. There are 6 species of flamingos in the world. When mature, the flamingos are 1.2 to 1.5 meters tall, weighing 1.8 to 3.6 kilograms. They live mainly in shallow, swampy areas and gather in groups. The record was recorded when there were about 1 million flamingos gathered in East Africa. Although living in flocks, but scientists believe that this bird is really faithful. At birth, they have white fur. Flamingos often eat algae, small larvae. These foods contain lots of keratin. This is the reason why white feathers will gradually turn to pink. 4. Peacock. Since ancient times, peacock is considered a symbol of beauty. The peacock male has a very special tail. It has a wide spread shape like a large fan with colorful colors. Therefore, peacock players also seem to enjoy only the characteristics that come from the beauty of bird feathers. With each peacock's tail feathers, they are shaped like coins stuck together. The entire peacock's tail when spread out like a brilliant fan with lots of elaborate and extremely prominent coins. The peafowl uses colorful plumage to seduce the offspring during the breeding season. 5. Mandarin fish. They often live near coral reefs in the Pacific Ocean. This is saltwater fish, usually in blue color. The male is bigger and has a more colorful color than the females. They live right next to the coral reefs. Coral reefs are quite discreet, which is convenient for hiding from enemies. Their food is usually crustaceans and small invertebrates. This is considered one of the leading beautiful fishes in the world today. 6. Swan. Swans are quite faithful birds. They often live with their partners for life. But even if the feelings are from both, the truth about their faithfulness is aimed at bringing together the most young swans. Couples of white swans create a classic image of giving. They have 2 half-hearted necks curled together to create a perfect image. It's part of the flirtation. whereas one couple face each other and they gracefully bend their necks with ruffled feathers and raised wings. The courtship ritual of couples comes with lots of hissing and murmuring sounds. 7. Chameleon. This species come in a range of colors, and many species have the ability to change colors. All chameleons are found in Madagascar and Africa. The rest are found in the Middle East, a few on islands in the Indian Ocean, and one, the Indian chameleon, in India, Pakistan, and Sri Lanka. Chameleons live in a variety of habitats, from rainforests and lowlands to deserts, semi-deserts, scrub savannas, and even mountains. Chameleons are solitary and extremely territorial, rejecting even the company of other chameleons. Chameleons don't move around very fast, so they depend upon its long sticky tongue to catch prey. When a chameleon spots an insect, it quickly snaps out its tongue. When its tongue hits the insect, it creates suction that allows the chameleon to pull the insect into its mouth. Chameleon's tongue is propelled by incredible speed. It takes 0.07 seconds for tongue to reach the victim. Their tongue can be 1.5 to 2 times longer than their body, excluding tail. 8. Frisian horse. The Frisian spans on average about 15 to 3 hands, although it may vary from 14.2 to 17 hands. They have oval-shaped hooves, long tails, short hair, long slender legs, muscular and deep torso build, long thick necks, and lots of elongated heads. The mane is the reason of coarse hairs, which extends along the dorsal side of the neck in both domestic and wild species. Historical documents exist where the breed is praised for its magnificent qualities. Documents which date before the year 1200. The breed have been used in battle for many years. In fact, knights would ride in on them due to their nobility and size, and King Louis II, ruler of Hungary, also rode the breed into battle in the 1500s. 9. Siberian Husky. A beautiful breed of dog. Huskies are independent, athletic, and intelligent. They show a balance of power, speed, and endurance. The personality of the Siberian Husky is friendly and gentle. They are also alert and outgoing. They do not act possessive like a guard dog. They are curious, but they are not usually aggressive with other dogs. A Siberian Husky has a double coat that is thicker than that of most other dog breeds. It has 2 layers, a dense undercoat and a longer top coat of short, straight guard hairs. It protects the dogs effectively against harsh Arctic winters and also reflects heat in the summer. It is able to withstand temperatures as low as -50 to -60 degrees Celsius. Husky colors come in a variety of shades and patterns. Their standard coat combination is white and agouti, black, gray, red, or sable. However, they are known to come in other colors too. Pure white is perhaps the rarest coat color of Siberian Huskies. This color, or lack thereof, is a result of the complete restriction of pigment and extension of white over the dog's entire body. The Siberian Husky has many different eye colors. They can be ice blue, deep blue, green, gray, brown, light brown, or amber. Some dogs have what they call bi-eyes, where they will have 2 different color eyes. 10. Glass-winged butterfly. The glass-winged butterflies, or scientifically known as Greta auto, is one of the strangest and peculiar butterflies in the world. The texture of their wings is transparent except for the edge, which is brown. This makes them appear to change color depending on which setting they are in. They almost camouflage against their surroundings. This exceptional ability makes them blend in with the vegetation and distracts predators. Most people know that many insects, such as ants, can lift many times their own body weight. If you ask most people about butterflies and strength, they'd probably never guess that. Pound for pound, ants is nothing for butterflies. The glass-wing is one especially strong species of butterfly. Although it might look weak, it has the ability to carry nearly 40 times its strong weight. It is also very fast, with the ability to fly up to 8 miles per hour for short periods of time.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe if you like.